Hi guys and welcome back. And the last week all the words that we learned were from A family. In this week we will try to explore some exciting vocab from B family. So our today's word is Babble. Its spell is B-A-B-B-L-E, Babble. Let's pronounce with me, Babble. Babble. The meaning of babble is to utter meaningless or unintelligible sounds or to talk enthusiastically or excessively. While the other meaning of babble is to make a continuous murmuring sound like shallow water running over stones. You can refer to people's voices as babble of sound when they are excited and confused, preventing you from understanding what they are saying. The Urdu meaning of babble is बकवास, बेतुकी बात या पानी बहने की आवाज़. Babble is a verb and as well as a noun, but today we are treating this word as a verb. So let's have a look on its forms. Babble is a root form of verb. Its third person singular form of verb is babbles. Its present participle form of verb is babbling, and so its past and past participle form of verb is babbled. Incidentally, the word has many synonyms. Some of them are gabble, prattle, twaddle, and murmur. However, the same list goes with antonyms as well. Hush, articulate, enunciate, and vociferate are few of them. So let's move ahead and see how the word babble is used in a sentence. In terms of its first meaning, that is idle talk, I have two examples for you. The first one is, the men were babbling so we couldn't make sense of anything. While the second one is, parents who babble nonsense to babies may be helping them learn to speak, according to the new research. Moving ahead to the usage of babble in terms of its second meaning, that is the murmuring sound of water. Again, I have two examples for you. The first sentence is, in plants, a babble of water and small molecules flows through the plasmodesmata between cells. While the next sentence we have is, the sounds coming from the workshops combine with the babble of a stream to create an authentic atmosphere of the settlement of old. So that's all about babble. Keep practicing the word, then make your own sentence and share with us in the comments below. This time, I also want some nearby words of babble from your side. So please let me know if you really know. Moreover, for finding reading material of this video, you can also visit us on our FB page whose link has been given in the description. Lastly, not to mention that you people and your feedback is so precious. So this is the end of our today's video. See you tomorrow with a new word. Stay with us and have a good day.